I've been looking at upgrading the lights in our tractors to LEDs for a long time now, and the person who has these LEDs reached out to me, FridayParts.com. The link will be in the description. They reached out to me for a sponsorship deal, so I asked for these lights in the front of our tractor. So they sent these over to me, this front bar here. And you get this wiring. I don't think we have to use this one. I think we can use the original one. So I'm gonna try and clean that up, see if we need to use that. But got the, get it out here. Got the, all the LEDs for the front right here. So we're gonna be installing those. And that should be a big upgrade since only 2 of these were even working. So we're gonna get this cleaned out here. I got a mouse nest out of there that was in there. But yeah, we're gonna be putting the new ones in. I'll cut to the footage of taking these out. So taking these lights off, just unscrewing it. And somebody made a little hotel in here. Quite actually a big hotel, so it's gonna be fun. It should just be these 2 prongs in here. We should be able to plug the new ones in. I think I'll just screw the new ones in directly, but they do give you this whole piece here. I think you might have to lift the hood up for that, but this original factory one is plastic and the one they give you is metal. Well, we got the mice evicted and we got these out. So I should be able, I think I can just plug the new one straight into there. So probably clean up these connections a little bit, but probably shot back the rest of that out of there. Now I'm just using the factory screws and I'm just taking the lights off of that bar and using a factory one because I'm lazy and I don't want to lift this stuff up. But yeah, no, it's gonna work great. All right, got them all hooked up. Just make sure you have the positive and negative right, because I think they become the opposite way in the wiring harness. Both of these do. So make sure you got the right ones going to the right places, or else half the lights won't turn on. So I'm still going to use the stock wiring harness. I think. Excuse me. It's very professional because it has it all zip tied in the hood there. So I think I'm just going to keep that one. But yeah, if I turn this on, they should all turn on now. I was really confused. All right, let's actually get them put in there. That looks a little goofy, so. All right. Now the sharpest tool in the shed. That's the way she goes. There we go. Oh, that looks super bright. You can tell by my smudge lens. I just think it's really cool that there's companies out there that make aftermarket parts for older tractors like this and replacement parts, you know, especially I think having LED lights for older tractors is very cool. That they have all sorts of parts and better than factory parts for all sorts of farm equipment and heavy machinery on FridayParts.com. So once again, there'll be a link in the description, and I'm gonna tighten these down and then we'll see what it looks like when it gets dark. I know we're not outside, but that looks so much better. Very cool. Yeah, I reckon that's a bit of an upgrade.